Alright, I don't know what to do. Should I do it? Okay. So, it's like 4:30 in the morning. Why'd you do that? And I'm really bored. So me and my brothers took out my beds. Yes, the beds. And we're just jumping on them. And, wanna try something? Ow! Shut up. I'm scared.
Just go.
Huh?
Go.
What if I hit the light?
Don't be fag. Just go.
What if I do it before it hits the light?
You did it like 5 times.
I know, but I'm scared this time. Because last time I hit my back and I almost broke my spine.
That sucks.
I don't know, whatever. If I die. If I die, I die. I'm scared. Oh my god. Oh, there we go.